Hi everyone! I'm going to do a quick video on showing you how to create a Google Doc account. In order to do so, you need to have a Gmail account. So you need to first go to google.com. Once you've done that, if you have a Google account, you can just sign in right there as per normal. If not, you'll need to create an account. So I'm going to already have mine stored, so I'm just going to click on there. All right. Once you are able to sign in, voila. You will see your Gmail account. But up here, if you look up there, you'll see Drive. I'm going to go ahead and click on Drive here. And from there, you're going to see all of your Google Drive accounts. You will see a big red button here. That's where you're going to look for. When you guys actually do this, if you've never started, this will all be blank, but you can see I have all these files and I keep things up there. It's a great resource if you don't use it already. If you click on Create, you will see a document, which is like a word processing form. It's great to use for many different classes and such. You'll have the presentation, which we're actually using currently for the Create Your Own School. The spreadsheet, which functions like Excel, a form, which is a great to collect data, and drawing. So for the purposes of your educational philosophy statement, you're going to click on Document. And the first thing you want to do is go ahead and click up here and change the title of your document. So I click there. It'll ask me to rename it. For the educational philosophy, I want you to put your last name and educational philosophy. Click OK, and that will be your new title. You can go ahead and type from there and type your whole and compose your entire educational philosophy here, or you can cut and paste in it if you wanted to use Word or a different word processing function. The big thing is use share. Click up there in the blue button. You're going to have up here is the link in which you have to share. For our purposes, I'm going to ask that you share the link on the Google Doc on our WordPress blog. The first thing you need to do is go ahead and change this so it doesn't say private anymore. So I'm going to click change. For this purpose, I'm going to do anyone with a link has access. That'll make sure that anyone that has a link can access your account. You could also do public if you wanted to, and that means that anyone, no sign-in required. You could do a Google search and find it. And private means that only you can use it, or the people you grant permission. But for our purposes, we're going to do anyone with a link. If you go down here, it says access anyone, no sign-in required. You can click view. Here, people can view it, they can comment, or they can edit it. So that's the edit is the most power you can do in collaborating with people. For the purpose of our educational philosophy, I want you to use can edit. So click there. I click the green button that says save. And then this right up here in this address bar here, this is what I want you to cut and paste. So if you copy it and then paste it directly into our WordPress account where I have the little another Google Doc where you insert your address right next to your name, and that's how I'll get access to it. Again, that is where you give me a permission, not up here. Okay, the address up here will not allow me to edit or see it. So you need to make sure you save it through share. All right, if you have questions, folks, let me know. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.